Morning, just hanging out while the tent dries. It was quite a moist night last night, but I've got a couple of warm showers nights ahead, so I need to pack away a dry tent. And if I'm quick, I'll be able to do it before this rain that's threatening arrives. It's another 60 or 70 kilometres today down the coast through the town of Castelló de la Plana, but pretty flat, I think, so hopefully less challenging than yesterday. Nice little campsite. That's the eurovelo route? Absolutely not. Classic. Rail trails are my kind of cycling. Flatten it, concrete it, keep the cars away. Love it. I think the reason I see so many people running in the bike lane when there's such a wide, lovely pavement available is because the bike lane is shadier than the pavement. Hola. Gracias. I've got a friendlier wind today. It's still coming from the side, but it's a little bit behind me from the side instead of in front of me from the side. And since it's so open here, it makes a hell of a difference. There's a lot of that here. That's the eurovelo route on its way. an efficient way to go around a roundabout. Found a rare free Wi-Fi spot here in Castelló de la Plana, so I've got a rather more beautiful view as I do my daily upload. Arriving in the afternoon, none of these blooming churches are ever open, but it is really refreshing standing in this puddle of water after the plants have been watered. It's getting surprisingly warm here. My host is working late, but I've just met him at work and he's given me his cheese, so that's pretty awesome. I've got some fancier cheese than usual. It's a 6 on the scale. In South America it's called goiabada. It's like quince paste, I think, to go with it. Yes. Okay, that was amazing. And I picked up a can of beer for 30 euro cents in the supermarket. No wonder Brits love it here so much. Cheers.